How to remove Bitmoji from Snapchat. So let's get started. First and foremost, launch the Snapchat application in your mobile device. After that, make sure that you're logged in with your Snapchat account. Once you're logged in and you get to this interface, now navigate to your Bitmoji icon from the top left corner. You will land on this page. Now again navigate at the top right corner, then tap on the gear icon. Now once you land on the settings page here, scroll down a bit and under my account section, there you will find an option as Bitmoji. Tap on that. Now here you get three options: to change the outfit, to edit the Bitmoji, or to choose a selfie. Now to remove that, tap on this option at the very last that says only my Bitmoji. Tap on that. Now before you tap and remove, make sure to read this information given to you that says if you created your avatar on Snapchat, you will permanently lose all your avatar and all the fashion items saved in My Closet. So with that on your mind, tap and remove. After you do that, you have removed the Bitmoji or successfully deleted the avatar on Snapchat. Now if you go back and there you see your Bitmoji have been removed from your Snapchat and you may see your QR instead of Bitmoji. So that's how you delete avatar on Snapchat, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching and I will see you on next video.